Hello friends, welcome to our channel Brain Explorers, where we share all kinds of brain boosters, teasers, puzzles, riddles and stamping questions. Here is our previous question. In following figure, there is a regular hexagon, a regular pentagon and a trapezium. What should be the value of x for which the triangle becomes an equilateral triangle? The red region is shown here is the regular hexagon, the yellow region is a regular pentagon, the green region is a trapezium, and if this blue region is a equilateral triangle, then what will be the value of x? If you have not tried this question yet, you can pause the video for more time. So here is the solution. Since we have to get this triangle as an equilateral triangle, so let us suppose its angle as 60 degree. Now we know that interior angles of a regular hexagon are of 120 degree. So we got these angles over here 120 degree. We also know that interior angles of a regular pentagon are of 108 degree. So in pentagon we got these angles 108 degree. Now at the junction of hexagon, pentagon and trapezium, there we have to calculate this blue angle shown here. Since we know that the complete cycle of rotation is 360 degree, so we can calculate this angle by subtracting 120 and 108 from 360 degree, and we got 132 degrees over here. Now here is the concept that if two lines are parallel and another line is intersecting these two lines, then the corresponding angles over here will be equal. With the same concept here in the trapezium, we got our angle is equal to 120 degrees since opposite sides are parallel here. Sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. In our trapezium, we know three angles 132 degree, 60 degree and 120 degree. So next angle will be such that total sum is 360 degree. Hence we can calculate this angle by subtracting 132 degree, 60 degree and 120 degree from 360 degree, and we got 48 degrees over here. Now again, at the junction of pentagon, trapezium and triangle, we have to calculate this x. Since the complete rotation is of 360 degrees, so we can calculate x by subtracting 60 degree, 48 degree and 108 degree from 360 degrees, and that is 124, which is our solution. Let's move to our another question. There is an isosceles triangle ABC with angle BAC is equal to 100 degree. If AB is extended to D such that AD is equal to BC, then find angle BCD. We have a triangle ABC. Here angle BAC is equal to 100 degree and AB is equal to AC. Here AB is extended to D such that AD is equal to BC. Now we have to calculate angle BCD. Try this question and comment as the solution. If your solution is correct, we will announce your name in our next video. If you have any question like this, send us on the Gmail given in the description box. Don't forget to like and share our video, and for more such videos, subscribe to our channel Brain Explorers. Thanks for watching.